Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to show internet speed in taskbar in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for Chrome. The moment you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear and go with open to continue. And with that, you would be able to see a new window called Google Chrome browser. You just have to wait until everything are set here. Where you need to proceed at the description box below, I'll be pasting a link there. Just have to copy it, please, and paste it here at the window search bar. Control C to copy. Navigate to your window search bar, Control V to paste, and click on enter and wait until you are being redirected to the result of this link. Okay, so you would be redirected to this github.com browser where here you need to scroll down and look for an option called this releases and it has this latest release. Now click this link to get the latest application or release. Click on it and wait until you are being redirected to the downloading of this application. Okay, so please scroll down. Okay, and it has this assets where you can choose the zip file which would be based in your windows. I would recommend you to go with the first. Okay, and if you have ARM 64, if you have ARM 64, go with the first. If you have ARM 64 EC light and underscore light, that's it, go with the second. And since I have an X64, I'm gonna go with the third, and I'm gonna click this link. Okay, so it will now start on downloading the moment you have to click on it. You just have to wait until it will be done. Okay. And once a file folder would be available, click on it to show in folder. Once you are here, please select the file. Please do a right click and go with extract all. Click on it and wait until a new window would appear, which is this, and go with extract and wait until it will be done. Once it is being extracted, you just have to wait until you are being redirected to this location where you can see a file folder called Traffic Monitor. Double tap to it and look for this application which is Traffic Monitor. Double tap once again and wait until you would be redirected to the installation of this Traffic Monitor. Okay, so this would appear which is a bar icon like this. Please mini or close this Windows Explorer first and close your browser so that you can focus on this bar. Where here you need to do a right click, okay, and go with show taskbar window. Click on it. The moment you have clicked on it, you'd be redirected to the taskbar where you can see the internet speed of your Wi-Fi or network cable. Now, in order to hide this, please do a right click, okay, and go with show main window. Uncheck it by simply tapping, and by that you would be able to uncheck and you would be able to hide that bar and you would be able to see your internet speed by navigating here at your taskbar. So this is good, especially if you're tracking if how much used how much MB you use today and how much memory usage or CPU use do you used or do you have consumed in your Windows or computer. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.